In this video, we'll look at how to split a PDF by an ID number with the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. This method is ideal for when you want to split combined documents containing some sort of ID number into individual files. In the example we'll use here, each output file is to contain all invoices from each ID number and is to be named after it. This is useful as the individual files may vary in length, and the ID number may not be in a fixed page location in each document. The sample document we'll use contains invoices of varied lengths, and all of them feature an 8-digit client ID on the first page of each. We'll use the plugin to create output files containing all invoices for each ID number, and we'll use this number to name them. This splitting approach is useful as the client ID always appears on the first page of each invoice, which makes it a reliable separator. AutoSplit searches all pages for a matching text pattern and splits the document at pages where this pattern changes. Let's take a look at how to use this tool. With the suitable document open in Acrobat, select Plugins in the upper menu, then both Split Documents options. When this window opens, check the Use Separator option and select Page Where Pattern Changes from the drop-down list. Now press Options next to it. Here, we're going to enter this expression into the Find What box. Using this expression, the plugin will search the document for pages where the client ID pattern changes. It will then split the document at these pages. Now click OK. In the Output Naming section, you can specify output file naming options. In this example, we'll set the name prefix to the No Prefix option. Use the Clear button to remove previous name format settings. Also make sure that the base file name box is empty. Now press the Add button to add a naming format for output files. Here, we'll select the Text by Search option and then press Next. As we want to name each output document with the relevant client ID number, enter the same expression into the Find What box. Then press OK. Now use the Browse button to specify an output folder for these files. Lastly, use the Save or Load Profile buttons to reuse these settings in the future. When ready, press OK, and then again to confirm the split. The results box lists all output files created. Click the Open Output Folder button to inspect them. Each output file will contain all invoices for each client ID, and they've been named using this number. Visit evermap.com for more product resources.